Welcome to Fashion Trends. Subscribe to the freelance updates on our channel and also hit the bell icon to see more interesting videos from our channel, guys. Hello friends. In today's video, we're going to be seeing a video about gottapattiwork. So let's get into the video. You can wear these gottapattiwork dresses to your parties or festivals or traditional occasions. They look really grand and elegant. They look really great, guys. And we have a lot of colors in them. You can refer to these colors, like if you're wearing a blue one or these color. Common people go with a gold or silver one because it looks great for your traditional occasions or festivals. They look really great, as I told you. And you can also have them in white and silver because they look really unique. You can also go on or try on upon this a lot of colors, as I told you, because whenever you go with, some people go with silver and gold, and other people go with a lot of designs, like for the colors, contrast color gottapattiwork. It looks great and then they look awesome, guys. And you can also try on with some classical palazzos for it, or a work palazzo or a plain palazzo for your gottapattiwork dresses. So you can try on with a lot of colors with gold and silver, because for elegant parties, most of them go with silver and gold because they're really great. I mean, unique, and they are adorable, guys. For these, you can have jewelries, like a lot of work jewelries, and for these mainly they use like chunkies and then all those colorful pattern designs. They look awesome, and some people go on with a lot of designs and patterns. Like some people go with some themes in it, or some mirror working, like a little mirror working and gotas. They look really awesome, guys, and they look amazing. You can try on them with your saris, kurtis, and then elegant gowns. You can try on with whatever you want. They look awesome and unique in all of your dress collections, guys. And mainly people who have silver don't think that I can do anything. Yeah, I can go with gold color. It's great, right? And you can also try on with a lot of different colors. Like people who have black can go with gold or silver. They never feel that, oh, I don't have any designs to go on with. They have lot of designs, patterns, colors. Great white workings, guys. They look really great and awesome. They look elegant too. Yeah, they look really elegant and they look unique. For some people, you wear these actually to your parties, as I told you, while some people go there with movie hangouts or the normal places. Because it's people who are comfortable with gottapatti dresses can wear them wherever they want, guys, and they look really great and unique. So, thanks for watching this video, guys. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel. So, thanks for watching this video, guys. Bye!